Our focus is on upper body training and hand positioning. It's the little things that make a big difference as far as the training results are concerned. And I see common mistakes occurring over and over again when it comes to bench press training. Now this particular machine, which we call a standing chest press or vertical press, not only does it work your chest muscles, the front of your shoulders, and the triceps, but even more importantly, what it does, it works your core. So in this position, it's really important that Renee focuses on the lower back, the stomach muscles, and maintaining that position. Because believe it or not, that machine wants to pull her back. It doesn't take a lot of weight to pull her back. So it's the core that's the secret to this exercise. Now the hand positioning, if you have any kind of shoulder pain or injuries, the secret is to always use a neutral grip. What neutral grip means basically is that the palms are facing each other. That position there is user-friendly in the shoulder joint and works the upper chest muscles and the tricep muscles. To go to the next level, you would basically perform a karate punch, or what we call a rotator bench press. Now in this position, again, very important that you keep your knees slightly bent, focus on balance, distribute your weight evenly, and all you're doing is back and forth a karate punch. How many repetitions? 8 to 12. It's a combination of strength plus muscle endurance. It's great for shaping your muscles, and you get some really good training results. Your breathing is going to be important. As you punch, you breathe out. You would inhale, and then as you punch, you breathe out. Very good, Renee. Now, the position that everybody likes to do that's most comfortable for a lot of people is what we call a regular bench press position. In that position, what happens is your palms are facing downwards and your elbows stay up. The higher the elbows are, the more stretch you're going to feel in the upper pectoral muscles. Now, from that position, you keep your arms, that's right, the elbows always stay straight, Renee, that's good technique, and then you bring your fists out and together. Now the function of the pectoral muscles is to straighten out the arms, to extend them, but also to bring them towards the midline of the body. So in this exercise, you want to do is keep your elbows up and then bring your fists together. You'll hold that for a split second and then repeat. And Renee will feel a deep burn in the upper chest muscles. Very good, Renee. Now we're going to go to a free weight and we're going to do some dumbbell bench presses. And I'm going to show you how important the hand positioning is here. You don't have to use a lot of weight to get good results. A couple of things to keep in mind. First and foremost, your feet should be at least shoulder width apart because you want to have a good foundation. Next, your hand positioning. And what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the normal bench press position. What we're doing here is having the palms face forward, and what she's going to do now is she's going to raise up and together, just like a normal bench press. You notice that she has really good control, and what this does, this develops all the synergistic muscles or the stabilizers. If the shoulders bother her, she would adapt and she would do an angled bench press or dumbbell press. Not as much stress on the shoulders. If the shoulders really bother her, then she would do a neutral grip. Now in this neutral grip, a lot of focus is placed in your triceps. So if you have shoulder problems, not as much pressure on the chest, more on your triceps. In summary, when you're looking at doing upper body work or any exercise, keep in mind a simple twist of the wrist is going to make all the difference in the results and the safety that you're looking for in your training.